Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Nissan's 1997 to 2004 Frontier. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the cab bolts and bushings from the side of the vehicle you are working on, and lift the cab up off the frame rail to provide you with more cutting and welding clearance. Remove or relocate any lines or power harnesses from the work area. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Measure between a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom of the frame rail and draw a cut line to the length of the frame section. Step 3. Begin cutting away the bottom of the frame rail along your drawn cut line. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal, followed by coating the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Push the part onto the rail while using the frame holes to help with alignment. Secure it with C-clamps to ensure a tight-to-frame fit. Tack weld the part, and once again verify the part's alignment. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area. Following proper welding procedures, weld 100% around all edges of the section. Step 5. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your cab mount bolts and bushings, and you're done.